In this video, I'm going to be making a rosary pouch because I need one. If you've missed any of my recent leatherworking progress, which is, I've not done a lot of leatherwork at all. And I've not been in here for such a long time. Like getting these tools out again is quite nice. All it is just a simple pattern like this. We have two pieces of leather, and I'm going to crease the edges and then bevel, just do a crease, bevel, burnish. Now there is going to be trim allowance, as we can see around on these and this side here. I'll have to crease this and then the this thing here, and then bevel, burnish. And normally I would actually heat this up. I actually did a video on, I did a course on how to like use pricking irons, and I sort of teach you how to use this, so like how to heat it up, etc. But on this, I'm actually just not even gonna bother with heating it up. So when you bevel it, you're going to lose that edge crease, but because we've already defined it, it'll be easy to go back over it. We can stain and burnish these edges. I actually have a full course on how to burnish leather edges, but if you want the actual very short version, you're going to learn it here. And this will sort of make it a lot shinier. Get some canvas. You can put 1 to 2 layers on, it's really up to you. The final thing we're going to add is some Columbus wax. What we can then do is just brush these. Mark where the stitches are going to go. So I am finished. This is the rosary pouch. Completely finished. I skipped a bunch of parts on the video. It's just you have to bevel and crease the edges and burnish like we did before. I was actually meant to make these corners rounded, so I just got like one of my blades and just sort of cut a bit of an angle there because the corners are quite sharp, but they're a bit better now. That's how my rosaries fit. Hope you enjoyed this video.